What's up, tech fans? Welcome back to our channel, The Unwrap Hub. Today, we are super excited to unbox the highly anticipated Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer smart glasses. These sleek shoes combine style, innovation, and cutting-edge tech. Let's dive in and see what they're all about. The first thing we come across is a quick start guide, along with the warranty information. Its charging case is sleek and portable, making it easy to carry around. Made from high-quality materials such as stainless steel and polycarbonate. It provides up to 3 full charges for our Ray-Ban Meta glasses, rapidly recharge your glasses with quick charging technology, supports wireless charging for convenient and cable-free charging. These glasses look and feel premium. The design is sleek and the build quality is top-notch. You can see the Ray-Ban logo on the temples, adding a touch of style and sophistication. So what makes these smart glasses so special? It can access Facebook and Instagram directly from your glasses, can get help and answer with the voice commands, and also receive notification from your phone including text, emails, and social media updates. It is very easy to connect the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses with your phone. There are some easy steps that you can see in the video and can connect your Ray-Ban Meta with your phone using the MetaView application. The first step is to create an account and then accept the terms and conditions. Follow the steps shown in the application to pair the smart glasses with your phone. It can take few minutes to set up, and after it's been set up, it will show you the things that you can do with your smart glasses, such as capturing moments, getting notifications on your smart glasses while you were wearing it. Here are some of its key features. Dual 5MP cameras for capturing photos and videos. Supports 1080 pixel video recording at 30 fps. 12mm speakers for immersive audio. Supports spatial audio and voice commands. Touchpad controls on the temples for navigating and interacting purposes. Support voice commands with Meta Assistant. Its battery life is up to 4 hours on a single charge, and charging case provides up to 3 full charges. It is compatible for both iOS and Android devices. Supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi connectivity as well. Well, that's it for today's unboxing video. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer smart glasses are definitely a stylish and innovative device. We will be putting them through their paces in the coming days, so stay tuned for our in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.